Welcome back. This Innocent Deals here speaking. If your pictures looks blurry, you don't need a new phone. I use Lightroom to fix colors, sharpness and also lightness. I use Remini to improve image quality and make the image look clean. Lightroom handles the mood and color while Remini handles the quality. When you combine both together, your pictures look more professional and attractive. So if you're interested, give us a thumbs up. Let me show you ways through how you can enhance your image. You need this Remini app here and also Lightroom. If you don't have it, kindly go to your Play Store and download the Lightroom and the Adobe Lightroom and the Remini. So firstly, before we continue, let's start with Remini first. Let's click on it. Remini will pop up like this. Sometimes if it didn't show like this, you have to allow it to load first. So when it loads like this, show both photo and video. So this Remini, it don't usually contain art, but if you are using it for free, is going to like contain ads. So you have photos, videos. If you don't want to watch ads, you can easily subscribe to their pro here. It's just 2,900 naira. So these photos, if you can't find your photos here, just kindly come to this image symbol up here, then look for the blurry image that you want. Okay, let me use Bossman and image. Okay, so when you click it, you are going to wait for it because this app, it needs to load. So it's going to show something like this: enhance, watch and ads, or remove ads and limits pro. This one you have to subscribe. So I don't have money for the subscription. I have to enhance it and watch and ads only. So it's you show me uploading image, then your ads is now going to pop up. Good. And your image is done. Like this app is really move. I swear this app will enhance. Like, look at before now. No, don't just look at it. Just look at it. Let me show you. Look at before, look at now. Just look at before, look at it now. Firstly, you may not even understand it, but till you zoom it in very well, look at before, look at now. And this app has the spirit of, like, even though you are old, your face is squeezed like your great grandfather, this app is going to renew it for you. So next, you see this download button up here. You're not going to click on download. I'm not going to click on download. Wait for it. So it's now going to say save, watch and ads. Before you can download it without watching ads, but this app now, it wants you to remove these ads. You have to subscribe. So we just save, watch and ads a little bit because this one is just few seconds. Also, just save money. So next thing we'll do is now go back to our Adobe Lightroom. I ask you to download this Adobe Lightroom. So it's there for both iOS and also Android. If you don't, just comment send link for me. I'm going to send the link for you. So if you open your Adobe Lightroom, it's going to like shows the image, the last image, like image your galaxy, something like that. So this is the image. This is where the real editing starts. Let me zoom it in very well so that you'll be seeing the magic. Hope you understand. So now we are going to click on edit, lights, exposure. Let's just increase the exposure a little bit. Plus 31 is okay. Contrast, I increase it very well also. Good, I know what I'm doing. Highlights, let me say the image is too light, I reduce the highlight a little bit. Then I reduce the shadow a little bit. Then the whiteness in the body, let me say okay, the eye, the shirt is white. Then the blackness, that's the hair, the suit. Hope you understand. And now reduce it. As you can see, we are making sense right here. So our column, I don't have to touch the temperature and the heat. Okay, let me go to my vibrance. I increase the vibrance. As you can see, we are turning this image into something else. If you like, you can increase the saturation a little bit also. Then next, our texture. Over this place go blow your mind. Our texture, let's say we increase it a bit, plus 11. Our clarity a bit. Our dehaze a bit, just a bit, because this dehaze in the box festival as you can see the image quality. Then we now go to details. We now increase the sharpness. Oga me, see how this image now sharp. See how this image sharp, guys. Like this currently magic, like to transform your image like this is like magic. So this Adobe Lightroom does not need any art or anything. So we just click on these three dots here, save to device. It's not even going to take up to 10 seconds. So let me just say it's not oops, your picture is saved to your device. So okay, let's go to our device. I check for this image here. As you can see, this is what Remini give us, and this is what Lightroom give us. Like, guys, can you imagine the difference? Can you imagine the transformation right here? And if we should this is what some top designers will tell you about. As you can see, good. So now let's search for the real image so that you are going to see the real magic here. The real image is going to blow your mind. The real image is going to blow your mind. Where did I keep the real image? Let me see, somewhere here. Look at the real image. Like, blurring, it looks somehow, but thank God for grace. If you like this video, please subscribe, share for more. We'll be dropping more updates on this channel. Thank you.